This is the Nomad Double Down. Double Down is the model name. Double Down, because it's got double down tubes holding the battery. Look at that. Super unique. It's also got passive suspension in this arced chainstay, seat stay situation. And you can see it's a floating seat post, so there's passive suspension in there. There's a metal flake paint going on. Integrated rack that doesn't turn when you turn the handlebars. And the CYC Photon 750 mid-drive with their 10 amp hour or 15, depending on which you choose. This one's the 10. I love this battery because it's in a hard aluminum case. But this is our creation, and it's got through axles front and back, so it's very modern feeling, crisp drivetrain, unique artisan style frame, and it rides smooth, it rolls fast, and it does it in style. So this is something, well, we haven't even launched the brand yet, but a customer in the shop saw our prototype and said, I want one. And so this is the first one. This is for her. This is for you, Felice. So I'm super happy to share this new creation with the world. You can call us up and order one if you want. You can make it in whatever color and size.